Here are 5 signs that it's time to change your construction accounting system in 2024. First up, you have to ask somebody for your financial or project-based reports. Number 2, you have to pay somebody like a consultant to help with or maintain your current system. Number 3, kind of along those lines, but you have to manually update your system, whether that's internally through your IT company or a third party. And number 4, your standard operating procedures haven't changed in a decade or more. And last but not least, your team cannot innovate with your current system. Now, I'll break these down into other videos and we'll talk a little bit more about them, but number 5 is really important. If your business is looking to grow in the long term, if you're looking to maybe take it into the next generation, maybe you're looking to have a business that runs for hundreds of years, then you need to continuously innovate. If you're stagnant or you're feeling stagnant or your team doesn't have the ability to innovate with your current systems, it's definitely the time to start looking.